Get up. To rise from bed after sleeping. I usually get up at a.m. to start my day. Have a shower. To clean oneself by standing under a stream of water. After getting up, I have a shower to wake myself up. Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. I always make sure to have a hearty breakfast before leaving for work. Make the bed. To arrange the bed neatly after sleeping. I make the bed as soon as I get up so my room looks tidier. Brush teeth. To clean one's teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. It's important to brush your teeth twice a day to maintain good oral hygiene. Shave. To remove facial hair using a razor or electric shaver. He shaves every morning before going to the office. Comb the hair. To arrange or tidy one's hair using a comb. I comb my hair after taking a shower to make sure it's neat. Get dressed. To put on clothes. After showering, I get dressed in my work clothes. Go jogging. To run at a steady, gentle pace for exercise. I go jogging in the park every morning to stay fit. Go to school. To attend educational classes or sessions at a school. After breakfast, my kids go to school for the day.